Hello everyone, welcome to Chai with UPSC. This is the first video of my channel. So here I'll be discussing previous year question papers, current affairs and some important concepts that actually matter for the exam. So if you are also preparing for UPSC and want to make your journey simple and effective, join with me. Today I start with previous year question papers. I plan like 20 questions each day so that we'll complete for the year 2024 first. It is not like a detailed analysis video, more like a revision video, so you can go through it in your chai time. That's the idea of the channel. So without wasting time, we'll directly move into the questions. Question number 1, consider the following statements. Statement 1, the atmosphere is heated more by incoming solar radiation than by terrestrial radiation, which is incorrect. The incoming solar radiations are short waves and the terrestrial radiations are long waves. These long waves get trapped by greenhouse gases and makes the atmosphere warmer. Statement 2, carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are good absorbers of long wave radiation, which is correct. So answer for this is option D. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Then moving to the question number 2, statement 1, thickness of the troposphere at the equator is much greater as compared to the poles. This is correct. We know that at the equator the thickness is 18 kilometer and at the poles the thickness is 8 kilometer. This difference is due to the strong convectional current at the equator, which cause the air to expand and the tropopause will rise. But at the poles the air is dense and cold, this leading to lower tropopause. Statement 2, at the equator heat is transported to greater heights by strong convectional currents, which is correct. So answer for this is option A. Question number 3, how many of the above are products of volcanic eruptions? Here pyroclastic debris, ash and dust are solid materials, then nitrogenous compounds and sulfur compounds. These are gases released during a volcanic eruption. So all four. Moving to question number 4. Which of the following are correct inferences from isothermal maps in the months of January? The isotherms deviate to north over the ocean and to the south over the continent. This is correct because land masses cools down more rapidly than oceans. This leads to lower temperatures over continents compared to oceans, and the isotherms deviates to north over oceans and south over the continent. Second statement, the presence of cold ocean currents, Gulf Stream, North Atlantic drift makes the North Atlantic Ocean colder and the isotherms bend towards the north. Here, Gulf Stream and North Atlantic drift are warm currents. These are not examples of colder one, so this statement is incorrect. Correct option 1 only. Moving to the next question. Which of the following countries are well known as the largest cocoa producers in the world? Option C, Cote d'Ivoire and Ghana. Sixth question. With reference to Himalayan rivers joining the Ganga downstream of Prayagraj from west to east, which one of the following sequence is correct? Here we can see Gomti, Gagra, Gandak and Kosi. Question number 7. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Rainfall is one of the reasons for weathering of rocks, which is correct. Statement 2. Rainwater contains carbon dioxide in solution, which is also correct. The rainwater naturally contains dissolved carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This acid rainwater contributes to chemical weathering also. Statement 3. Rainwater contains atmospheric oxygen, which is also correct. So answer for this is option A. Both statement 2 and 3 are correct and both of them explain statement 1. Question number 8. Consider the following countries. We need to find how many of the countries shares border with North Sea. Option B, only 2. Germany and Norway share border with the North Sea. Refer this picture. Here we can see Norway at the top and Germany here. Other countries sharing border with North Sea are also given. Go through it. Question number 9. Consider the following information. Waterfall, region and rivers are given. Here option 1 and 2 are correct and the third one is incorrect. Here Gerospa is in Western Ghats but not Netravati. It is Sharavati river. The answer is only 2. Option B. 10th question. They gave regions, name of the mountain range and type of the mountains. Here statement 3 and 4 are correct. 1 and 2 are interchanged. Vosges is a block mountain and Alps is fold mountain. Option B, only 2. Question number 11. Consider the following airports. Dani Polo Airport, Kushinagar International Airport, Vijayawada International Airport. In recent past, which of the above have been constructed as greenfield projects? Answer is only 1 and 2. The Vijayawada International Airport is a brownfield airport. Question number 12. Which reference to water vapor? Which of the following statements are correct? It is a gas, a amount of which decreases with altitude. Its percentage is maximum at the poles, which is incorrect because the water vapor's concentration is high in equator because of more evaporation. Option 2 is incorrect. Correct option for this is A, 1 only. Question number 13. Annual and daily range of temperatures is low. Precipitation occurs throughout the year. Precipitation varies between 50 to 50 centimeter, which is the type of climate. Answer for this is option D, marine west coast climate. Question number 14. With reference to Coriolis force, which of the following statements are correct? It increases with increase in wind velocity. Of course, Coriolis force increases with wind velocity. Option 1 is correct. Option 2, it is maximum at the poles and is absent at the equator. This is also correct. So answer for this is C, both 1 and 2. 15th question. On June 21 every year, which of the following latitudes experience a sunlight of more than 12 hours? This question is about summer solstice. For this option D, 2 and 4, Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. 16th question. One of the following regions has the world's largest tropical peatland, which holds about 3 years worth of global carbon emissions from fossil fuels and the possible destruction of which can exert detrimental effect on the global climate. Which of the following denotes that region? So answer is option B. Question number 17. With reference to perfluoroalkyl and polyfluoroalkyl substances that are used in making many consumer products, consider the following statements. PFAS are found to be widespread in drinking water, food and food packaging materials, which is correct. PFAS are not easily degraded in the environment. This is also correct. This is because of their strong carbon fluoride bonds. Third statement, persistent exposure to PFAS can lead to bioaccumulation in animal bodies. This is also correct. Answer for this is option D, 1, 2 and 3. 19th question. How many of the above belong to pea family? All 3. Groundnut, horse gram and soybean. They belongs to Fabaceae family. Question number 20. Consider the following statements. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect, but this question is dropped from consideration. So we are concluding this video here. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.